5 tips for balancing between work and school. If you're a student as well as working to support your family, it is very important to maintain a balance between work and school. Most times, many people have difficulties balancing between their career and school lives. In my never-ending quest for the perfect balance between work and school, and friends, and clients, I have been blessed with many great mentors and the opportunity to learn countless lessons from myself and from others. Many of these tips are hard-fought for me. Here are tips to help you strike the balance. Use a time chart to determine what you need to do next. To strike the balance between your work and school, you should use a calendar. Use a time chart for finding the best suitable time for different activities. As a college student, you will have many challenges regarding time management. You will need a disciplined track of managing time. Fixed classes and the free time between each is one of the special time features of college life. Getting sufficient rest and socializing time is also an aspect of college time management. As you are also working, you will require a time chart to avoid being held up due to less important activities. You need to add some structure to your schedule. Base your time chart on the different activities that you have to attend. This time chart can help you determine the time when your mental concentration is at its best. You can schedule the study hours for your difficult tasks during these times. Once you write off these hours, you will know that these hours cannot be used for other activities. If any social invitations come up during these hours, you should politely decline. Set specific end and start time of your work. If you are providing freelance essay writing service Editapaper.com, set a specific start and end time for your workday. Set clear boundaries so that you do not end up doing that one more thing that takes you through study time. Remember, freelancing is the best idea to earn along with your regular school. Suppose that your regular school starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m. So, if you want to earn some bucks by working somewhere, you need to work before 10 a.m. or after 3 p.m. It is hard to find suitable jobs before 10 a.m. However, you can work after an evening at any workstation. But it is much easier to do freelancing being a student. Don't keep up with the Joneses. Meaning, don't worry about what everyone else is doing, or how many committees they are on, or what activities they pack into their days. Define what balance means to you, and stick to it. I once had a business owner tell me that I couldn't run my business in just 40 hours a week, and for him, 60 hours was just fine. But guess what? I found a way. You need to find your own way to achieve your balance, not somebody else's definition of balance. Listen to your body. Really listen. Your body will tell you when it needs a break. This tip is particularly hard because we become experts at ignoring warning signs. Begin to pay attention to what your body is saying. Build that habit of actively listening to when your body tells you it is worn out, or not eating right, or getting sick. Freelancing is the best way to keep the balance. If you regularly do your task, you'll definitely strike the balance between your school and work. I always suggest students not to do any hard work or work outside of the home while studying. Do you know why? If you work outside of the home, your concentration on the study will hamper a lot. That's why freelancing is the best to keep the balance between your study and regular clients' work. Moreover, if you are a freelance writer, it not only helps you to earn money but also helps you to grow your writing skill. Make time for what is most important to you. Have you ever heard the story of the mayonnaise jar, the rocks, and the 2 beers? In that story, a professor tells his class about the big rocks. Those big rocks represent the most important things in your life. If you fill the mayonnaise jar with all the little things, the pebbles, then you won't have room for the big rocks. Put the big rocks in first. The rest will find a space somewhere.